Today, I'll show you how to take screenshots using the Windows Snipping Tool. Let's get started. Search for Snipping Tool in the Windows search bar, and then click on the Snipping Tool from the results. The Snipping Tool offers several types of snips, including rectangular, window, full screen, and freeform. Choose the one that suits your needs. After selecting the desired snip mode, click the New button to start the screenshot process. The screen will darken, and you can use the cursor to select the area you want to capture. Release the mouse to take the screenshot. Once you've taken the screenshot, click the Save Snip button to save the snip as an image file. Select your preferred location, name your screenshot, and click Save. Alternatively, press the Windows logo key plus Shift+S to open the Snipping Tool directly. Drag your cursor over the area you want to capture. Click the notification icon to find the screenshot. Click on the screenshot to save or edit it. Click the Save Snip button to save the snip. Select your preferred location, name your screenshot, and click Save. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.